Getting a 360 spinning car seat is making your parenthood super easy. Just turn the car seat to your side and you can harness the baby easily. For non-360 spinning car seat, you have to bend down and squeeze the body into the car to harness the baby. This becomes even more challenging when getting a tantruming kid into the car seat. Conversely, parents could access their baby easily, putting less strain on back when using spinning car seat. Switching your baby effortlessly from rear-facing to forward-facing or vice versa without removing the car seat. Now let's us show you how to install 360 spinning car seat with load leg. Click both ISOFIX anchors, showing green. Push the car seat closer, adjust the load leg to floor, showing green, and now you're ready to spin freely. Installation for 360 spinning car seat with top tether. Click both ISOFIX anchors, showing green. Push the car seat closer. Pull out the top tether. Go through middle of car headrest. Hook the tether, anchorage behind. Now you're ready to spin.